UDP government will make sure of equal and fair distribution of our resources, be it land or anything else, and would also encourage women to own property. I have been working for FLAC, and we have going around, particularly in upcountry, there in even certain communities that women feel they have no right to own land. So they only borrow this land from their family members and farm and be paying them back from their proceeds. But with the UDP government, we will ensure, particularly the women in the farming area, to teach them that they have the rights to own land, to make land accessible to the women, and have a fair distribution of our resources. This is our policy.
Thank you.
Mr. Jammeh, just to state that UDP's commitment is to unapologetically target, improve the welfare and quality of life of women and addressing the high costs of living affecting women. Jigéeni Gambia man sen doom sen xarit may wax ak yéen ñëw di wax ak yéen ci turi suma parti United Democratic Party di leen wax ne xam nañ seen taxawaay ci réew mi di leen wax ne xam nañ réew bi fi mu tollu nii ni ko olof yi di waxee jigéen yaa ko téye ma ñëw nag di wax ak yéen en tant que jigéen di wax ak yéen pour ngeen jàppale suma parti parce que bés buñ jëlee nguur bi bés buñ jëlee réew mi bépp jigéen ak bépp doomi Gambia dina yëg suñ taxawaay ci yëfi jigéen, particularly jigéen yi liggéey ci agriculture ak farming. Jigéen yi liggéey ci agriculture farming xam nañ ne dafa jafe pour jigéen yi di am collateral guarantee ci banque yi pour am xaalis pour liggéey. Loolu UDP government dina ci taxaw ba make sure ne jigéen yi am nañ access to xaalis pour liggéey. Jigéen yi am jafe-jafe pour am access pour ci am land pour béy, UDP government dinañ ci taxaw ba make sure fu góor mun a amee land jigéen yi am nañ ci land. Jigéen yi nekk ci marché bi di jaay seen légumes yi suñ toogee duñ am fuñ ko denca gis nañ Talib Bensouda lim def KMC create for storage facility. UDP government dinañ taxaw ba loolu am ci region bu nekk ci Gambia nga xam ne jigéen bu jaay sa jaay jeexut di nga am foo ko denca mu wàññil la yaaxu bi. Jigéen yi dee data wane na ne 556 juróomi téeméeri jigéen ak juróom fukka juróom benn dinañ dee ci am doom et ci every 100,000 live births. Loolu UDP government dinañ ci taxaw seet loolu lan moo ko waral make sure ne jigéeni Gambia
waxtu xooj na la ñu may la 1 minute
dinaa lépp suma 1 minute bi make sure ne jigéeni Gambia am nañ access to prenatal antenatal care bu enough boo xam ne dina mun a wàññi dee bi ñoo dee ci am doom parce que benn jigéen deserved pour dee ci am doom inshallah jërëjëf.
Thank you very much, ladies.
Investment in the youth is key. So we are no longer saying youth empowerment. For UDP, it is going to be youth investment. We are going to invest in our youth. And we are going to use agriculture as the main driver for investment in the youth. The UDP government intends to zone the country. I would give you an example. For example, CRR. We know that rice farming happens in the CRR. There is land for rice in the CRR. And we've seen private sector investment doing very well when it comes to rice farming in CRR. For example, Maru Farms. The UDP government would expand through self-employment, agriculture, and ICT-led growth. These areas have the capacity to create jobs. And also, when we zone the country, the youths of the CRR, the UDP government would provide funds, agricultural funds, for them to be able to start farming in a place like CRR. This will even help with the rural-urban migration. We'll keep them where they are and create opportunities, mechanize farming as well, train the youths, teach the youths. We are not only going to provide funds, Because if you provide the funds and allow them to do what they want, we don't see the results. And this is what has been happening. We are going to continue to train, monitor, and evaluate these investments when we give them
You want to borrow a second minute?
Yes, we'll also create a conducive environment, set the right framework, and facilitate collaboration between the private sector to ensure that our youths obtain the right skills, leading through increased employability to the establishment of specialized skills center. Like I said, we are going to create at least 10 skill centers across the region to make sure the youths of this country can develop the necessary skills to move the country forward, because we have realized not everyone is meant for the classroom. And this is one area, resource of the youths that this country hasn't tapped, that is the skills. And the UDP government is ready and prepared to take this on. Thank you very much.
Thank you. APRC, any reaction? 2 minutes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jame. I will take the opportunity to react to Ms. Jallo's issue about the APRCs. Basically, Jame's greatest achievement, I would say, was the creation of the university. This I would give to him. But it also turned out to be his greatest devil, because the university students in 2016 played a key role in removing the dictator. It's one thing to give me a university, but it's another thing to abuse the resources that are supposed to fund the university, to put it in a position where the Gambia would be able to deliver first-class graduates in any field. This is what is lacking, and this is what was lacking in the Jammeh government and still lacking in the Barrow government. Recently, we approved the supplementary appropriation bill, and literally the Ministry of Higher Education had to lobby parliamentarians for us to allocate the 134 million needed for the scholarships. You've seen the recent strikes by lecturers of the university because their university is not fully resourced. A UDP government will actually remove the university from ministry. Allocations for the University of the Gambia would go straight to the university, because we've realized what is going on, that there is always a problem if you put the allocation in the ministry's budget and then they will decide how much they have and share what they have. But the university is a very important institutions in this country, and the UDP government is cognizant of the fact, and I'm talking to the students of the university at the moment, that you are our priority in the UDP, and we will make sure the university is fully resourced. We will make sure to turn the Gambia University, live up to its name and become a world-class institution. Thank you.
I think Honorable Yakumba is campaigning. But we will give